I turned it on in Warsaw, my first layover, and it connected smoothly both in Amsterdam, my destination, and on my return flight to Warsaw. I scanned the QR code 3 days before my flight. It said the service would start from the moment the QR code was scanned, which worried me, but it actually lasted for 7 days from the original date of use. Internet access was smooth in the Netherlands, Belgium, and France, except in Belgium where the connection was less reliable, especially in crowded areas. In other countries, the internet was excellent. In Taiwan, I scanned a QR code before arrival and the connection was stable and smooth upon arrival. I purchased this for a month-long stay in Europe. I was able to use it without any problems in the UK and Spain. I've used it many times before. The download and setup process was easy and smooth. I'm sure I'll use it again in the future. Traveling abroad is incredibly convenient. There are no issues with the country of origin. It's low risk and I've never encountered poor reception. I highly recommend buying this when traveling abroad. In Turkey, the network couldn't be automatically detected. I had to manually configure it with customer service guidance, and then it worked normally. It works perfectly fine in Romania. The speed is fairly fast, but it drops noticeably when the storage runs out. However, this issue is avoided if you buy enough storage. Reception is generally good. I used it in Central Asia, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. It was easy to cross the border without doing anything. It's a shame that it doesn't cover Uzbekistan. I've used it many times. I bought it for a month-long stay in Europe. I was able to use it in the UK and Spain without any problems. It's easy to set up. It works well. I came from Italy to Albania and it works well. But if it doesn't work automatically at first, you have to turn it off and on a few times. The speed is fast and quite good. It works in both urban and suburban areas. Even without 5G, there's LTE, so you can still access the internet. The price was very cheap, and the internet was excellent. I visited 7 countries in Europe, and the internet was fast in every place. I used it in the continental US. I was able to connect smoothly without any issues. I also liked the one-click activation process. I bought and installed it a few days before departure, and it was ready to use as soon as I arrived. It's super convenient. We've already covered more than half of the trip, and our 5G bandwidth is almost used up. I'll see if I need to buy more. Although you need to take Taiwan time into consideration, I was able to use it successfully during the period. The network connection is very smooth. I highly recommend everyone to buy and try it out. It's fantastic.